Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a super quick and easy way to snooze chat notifications for 1 hour on the X app. If you've ever been in the middle of work, studying, or even just relaxing and you don't want pings constantly popping up, this is the perfect solution. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're inside, head down to the bottom of your screen and tap on the message icon. This is where all of your conversations live. Next, find the chat that you'd like to pause notifications from. Instead of tapping once to open it, press and hold on that chat. When you do a long press, a small menu will pop up with a few different options. From here, look for the option that says Snooze Notifications and tap it. You'll then see a choice of time frames for how long you'd like to mute that conversation. For this guide, we're going with for 1 hour. Tap it. And just like that, notifications from that chat will be paused for the next hour. This is really handy when you don't want to mute a chat forever but need just a little bit of quiet time. After the hour's up, notifications from that chat will resume like normal, so you won't miss out on anything important. And that's all it takes, just a few quick steps, and you can instantly control when your notifications come through. No more distractions when you're trying to focus, but no risk of forgetting about the conversation completely either. So the next time you need a short break from constant buzzing or sound alerts, remember, open the app, tap the messages icon, long press the chat, snooze notifications, and select for 1 hour. Fast, simple, and effective. If this video helped you out, try the steps right now and see how easy it is to keep some peace and quiet. Thanks for watching.